Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bold subscriptions for Shopify recurring sales easy tutorial step by step clearly. Search for Bold subscriptions in the search bar. Click on the app when it appears in the search results. Select the Add App button to begin installation. If prompted, log into your Shopify store using your credentials. Once logged in, review the permissions required by the app. Click on the Install App button to continue. After installation, access the Bold Subscriptions app from your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll be guided through an initial setup process. Begin by configuring the general settings for your subscriptions. Choose the default currency and language for your customers. Next, decide on the subscription options you want to offer. Options may include weekly, monthly, or custom intervals for subscriptions. Set up your products for subscription eligibility in the app. Select the product or products you want to offer as subscriptions. Ensure you enable the subscription checkbox for each product. Customize the subscription widget appearance according to your store's branding. Save your changes to apply the settings. Now you can create subscription plans for your customers. Name your plan and specify the price, billing cycle, and any discounts. Click on the Create Plan button to finalize your subscription offer. Test the subscription by adding a subscription product to your cart. Proceed to the checkout and ensure the subscription options are displayed correctly. Confirm the functionality by checking if the customer receives a confirmation email. Monitor your recurring sales through the Bold Subscriptions dashboard. Make adjustments to your subscription offerings as needed to optimize performance. Your Shopify store is now equipped for recurring sales with Bold subscriptions. This setup will help streamline your sales process and enhance customer retention. Utilize analytics provided by the app to track your subscription growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.